G'day! In today's video I'm opening up what I believe to be a counterfeit Xiaomi Power Bank. Which this one says 10,000 milliamp and I've struggled to get it anywhere close to that. I reckon it's pretty much only got to around about 2,000 milliamp. And there's something about it feels too light, too cheap. So I want to open it up and see what we find here. This feels very cheap and flimsy compared to the original one that I've previously had. Well, this almost just feels like a sticker. I'll get into a corner. Like so. I'll destroy it so you don't have to. There must be a simpler way to get into this, but I've already gone down the path of destruction. I will proceed. There we go. And look at that. That combined with a 5,000 milliamp battery cell that looks very poorly put together. So we've dropped from 1,000, 10,000 to 5,000 very quickly. Granted, this could be repacked with a larger capacity, but that is just straight up dodginess. I'm assuming that's in there to add a little bit more weight to it. But overall, cheap and terrible. So this 5,000 milliamp cell, I've only basically been able to get 2,000 out of it. So pretty piss weak. I could use the BMS, battery management system, this device over here, to at least be usable on something else. Hook it up to a larger laptop battery or something like that. But overall, pretty cheap, pretty terrible. Pretty counterfeit. Funnily enough on here, it says 10,000. 10,000 milliamp at 3.7 volts. 5,500 milliamp at 5 volts. Even that doesn't add up. Here we got 3.7 volt. 5,000 milliamp, 3.7 volt, 10,000 milliamp. How did they magically manage to double the capacity even at the rating system that they're using? So that is a bit disappointing.